With the aim of consolidating trading ties between Dubai and Algeria, the Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry organised the Doing Business in Algeria seminar at its premises on Monday the 20th of May. The seminar provided an ideal opportunity for businessmen from both Dubai and Algeria to meet, network and discuss mutual investment opportunities. Keynote speakers at the event included His Excellency Dr. Sharif Rahmani, the Algerian Minister of Industry, SMEs and Investment Promotion, as well as Mr. Abdul Karim Mansouri, Director General of the National Investment Development Agency in Algeria. Topics discussed by the gentlemen included the economic synergies existing between the two countries, as well as the availability of investment opportunities for Dubai businesses in Algeria and the law and guidelines on investment in the country.
Algeria is a stable economy. It has an oil and gas base. They have $200 billion in reserve. They've had low inflation for over a decade, so this is very good news. Unemployment is trending down. Growth is very stable. So these are the kind of things that investors should be looking for. So it's great news for Algeria. Now, if we look at what's possible, Algeria can increase the flows between the UAE and Algeria itself in terms of products and in terms of volume. So there's plenty of scope there. The other aspects of the presentation also looked at what the possible synergies between the UAE and Algeria could be. And in this case, we identified just three sectors. One would be solar power. So the UAE has strong competencies in solar power. The other is tourism. UAE has established competencies in tourism. And the third is ICT. This is a new sector for the UAE. There could be a bridge in terms of cooperation between Dubai and Algiers. So those are the three very important sectors. There is a lot of things to do in Algeria in terms of improving processes, reducing costs for doing business, making it easier for entrepreneurs to start businesses. These are very important things, and UAE has experience in these things, and that's another benefit of this relationship. So in sum, there is room for opportunity, there's room for improvement, there's room for diversification, because both economies are based in oil and both economies need to diversify.
Well, my company is actually very open to some opportunity in North Africa, and being an Algerian, so it was evident to send me here, to discover new opportunities. And in fact, Algeria now is already opening the market to outside, especially in the MENA region. So it's a big event and very big opportunity for us to discover what's new now in Algeria. And I heard from the minister that he's opening the country and also having a new rules for the market, for the trade in Algeria.
I think Algeria still now it's not open to Arab country, or still now it's closed country. Maybe if there is any idea of invest in Algeria, Algeria is a huge chance of economic invest in the Middle East, in the Arab country, in the Africa, in the world. There is so many chance in Algeria.
I'm originally from Algeria. I know it's not an easy country to invest in, but I also know it has a lot of potential, and this is a country of interest to us as part of my new company. So we are curious to hear about the current trends in Algeria and what opportunities are there.
We representing the entire Middle East and the African region. So we are planning to have some developments in Algeria, and we wanted to be part of the success story right from the beginning when the country starts to open up and make it more investor friendly.